Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmattic. This is episode 60 in the Trading 212 portfolio series. Hope you're all doing well and looking forward to Christmas to spend time with your family. So yeah, let's get started and we're going to go through portfolio performance and overview, sales, buys, expected dividends and Trading 212's new feature. So yeah, let's get started with this and let's roll the intro. The portfolio is now at £11,045.38p. I've invested £9,712.81p. Returns at the moment is up £1,332.69p. That's 13.72%. So it has actually gone down from the start of the week. It was around 15.41%. And it's down to 13.72%, which isn't ideal. The markets are slowly seeing a slight drop, in my opinion. You know, it's gonna fluctuate from day to day, week to week. So I'm not too worried at the moment. However, I am considering reducing some of my positions, and that's just purely because I think the markets are slightly over inflated right now, and I think there is going to be some sort of a crash, whether that be in the US. I particularly think it will be in the US market because some of the stocks are way overpriced right now. So I am still looking to reduce some of my positions. I haven't quite decided what exactly I want to reduce in. I might even just take a bit off everything and just keep that funds for just in case there is a drop. But yeah, that's pretty much my plan, and I do want to just prepare myself if there is another drop, because the last one I was very unprepared, and I think that's the way the market's going to go. I'd love to know your thoughts on that, and do you think are you expecting there's going to be another or somewhat of a crash? It may not be as steep as the one in March, but I do think there is going to be another drop in the markets. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Moving on to the stocks that I've sold. I haven't really sold anything. I've just reduced a few positions, and that's just pretty much gone straight back into something else. So looking at this, I have reduced my position in New River REIT slightly. I did sell 20 stocks, 20 shares in New River REIT for 90p, and I was like, you know what, I'll take that. So I've got 450 shares at the moment. I'm down £111.38p. That's down at 22.19%. As you can see, I've got a pending order for 20 at 95p, and I'm just slowly reducing the position in that, just because I do want to put this into a stock that I have actually purchased this week, which is Telefonica. I now have 60 shares valued around £180. I'm down £51.06p. That is also down 22.05%. However, the FX impact is actually reducing my losses by 2.95%. That's around £6.84p. So yay, it's actually working in my favor for this one. So yeah, I basically want to try and reduce my position in New River REIT over the next 2 months. As the share price is increasing, I am slowly reducing it, just because I think there is an opportunity for Telefonica. And to be fair, New River REIT is definitely something that I am considering to close. I'm probably not going to sell most of it below at a loss. I think I'll probably sell 50. Out of the 450, I'll probably sell 50 at a loss, and then for the rest of the 400 I'll probably keep till when it does go back in the green or close to break even. So with that, I also want to talk about dividends, and unfortunately I haven't received any of my dividends that were paid this week. A little bit of a downer, I know, not ideal, but you know what you're going to do. I think Trading 212 is being a bit slow on this. If I'm honest, I was really expecting some of my dividends to come in, and it would be kind of cool to see exactly what is due. But, you know, you're going to have to wait till next week till I get those dividends come in. But so yeah, we'll just run through and talk about what dividends I was expecting to get. So the first one I was expecting to get, which is Persimmon. I was expecting a dividend from these guys on Monday. I think it was around £4-ish. I still haven't received it yet. So I know Trading 212 takes a little while for them to process it. I'm not too worried about it. Usually they're fairly with it, like within a reasonable amount of time. So, it's not a deal breaker, I'd say. Sometimes dividends take longer to process or not. So this is one that I will be looking forward to next week. Then I had 2 dividends paid on Tuesday, which I'm currently still waiting for as well. That is Realty Income. I am expecting about $5, I think, from Realty Income. And the other one is Main Street, which was paid on Tuesday, and this is another one that I'm expecting. However, next month for Realty and Main Street, it's going to be a huge increase. When I say huge, probably around maybe double for Main Street, or at least a third of an increase, because I've increased my position in that quite a bit. Then on Wednesday, I believe we have Shell that paid a dividend. So I'm not really too sure exactly what I'm expecting from Shell, but it's a dividend in the case. Another one to look forward to next week. And I think the most recent one is BP, which was paid today. Where is BP? So with BP, yeah, I'm expecting another one. I believe I'll be expecting around 50 shares that went around the ex-dividend date. And the last one is Telefonica. And I think I had about 50 shares when they went ex. So yeah, that's pretty much it for dividends. Overall, I think, it's been a pretty good week for dividends. And I'll let you know exactly how much they were next week and how much I exactly received. So yeah, that's that. But let's get on to the new feature Trading 212 has rolled out. So I've just had to change over to Android because the Android one actually does have this feature. It's a new feature that they've rolled out, and it's more of a social thing. And let's dive into it. So as you can see here, they've got a pie library, and with the pie library, you can essentially see, what are the top pies, what most people have, viewed it, copied it, and commented on it. So as you can see here, Briscoe is at the top with 10.7k views. 371 people have copied it, and 165 have commented on it. And then it's got a breakdown. So, you've got all these here. I personally don't have a pie that I'm sharing at the moment, but not to say that I won't create one. I think it's a cool concept, and it does get people talking about investing strategies and stuff like that. So let's have a look at this guy's Briscoe. And you've got the annual return is 11.33%. Obviously, don't go thinking that is going to be the average return. Obviously, most of it has been kind of influenced by this year, and it's kind of uncharted waters. So and do your own research. Just make sure, because sometimes I find the projections in Trading 212 when you do build your pie, it's a little off, and that's just basically because of the past recent events. You can essentially got a button to copy your pie. You can comment on it. Let's have a look at the comments, and you can literally just comment on it and it kind of gets the discussion going, which is kind of cool. So yeah, you can pretty much see all the pies here. Can you actually search for them? No. So I guess it's just a scrolling kind of thing, and you have the option to save a pie as well. So if you find something interesting, you can save it. So for example, European growth stocks, made by Mitch. Don't actually know how to copy it. Pie owner, copy pie. Oh, here. So you can actually save it by this little bookmark thing here, which is kind of cool. Some of these have been actually pretty high. So you've got ARK Invest, which is 43.65%, which is pretty high if I'm honest. But yeah, it's a new feature, and I really like it, and it's bringing that social concept and getting people talking or collaborating with investing. And I think this is actually a really cool feature that Trading 212 have released. I'd love to know what you guys think about it. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with the pie. I'm definitely going to be having a look in, seeing what these guys on this list are doing, and you know, I might get some inspiration and share that with you. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're looking forward or already using this feature with the Trading 212 pies library. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you're interested in trying Trading 212 or any of the commission-free brokerages, links in the description, and you'll get a free share when you sign up to those platforms using my link. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. It really does help this channel grow, and I really do want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If you can hit that subscribe button, it'd be much appreciated.